Hi there, this is Journal Exo from Pro Tutorials, and today I'm going to talk about how you can join ACX if you reside outside of the USA or UK. Anyway, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's pretty darn easy. You can go right below from this video, click on that subscribe button so you can start receiving my weekly video updates where I talk about self-publishing and online marketing. Anyway, let's talk about this. One of the small problems, and it's something that actually stops a lot of people from publishing their books, has an audiobook, and it's something that I always recommend for you to do. I recommend when you publish one book, you should always publish in all three different formats. This includes inside of KDP, which is the virtual format, CreateSpace, where you publish your book as a paperback, and also inside of ACX, where you can publish your book as an audiobook. Because this way you always increase the potential of doing more money with one single book. Because what often happens is when someone goes to a book, some people just don't like to read and they just prefer to listen to its audio. And at least if you have your book published inside of ACX, that person can listen to your book as an audiobook and you don't lose one sale. So this is the reason I recommend for you to always publish your book as an audiobook. Anyway, one of the small problems that people have, and actually it's a problem that stops some people from publishing their book as an audio, is ACX only accepts people who at least have a mailing address inside of the USA or inside of the UK. So there are a couple of things that you need to do in order for you to basically bypass this small issue, so you can join ACX if you don't live inside of the USA or inside of UK. Now, I can't really tell you how you do this in the registration process, because this is something that I did about a year ago. I don't exactly remember how the registration process works. It's not that hard. Anyway, there are two things that you actually need to have. You need to have a mailing address that is inside of US or inside of UK, and you can see that over here when you go to my account inside of account settings. You can see that my mailing address is from the US, and this is the mailing address that I got by using a service called Reship. So you need to go to this website called Reship. You need to register an account with them. You need to pay about $5. I think it's $5 in order for you to have an account with them. Then once you have an account with them, they will provide you a US mailing address. Actually, you can receive mailing address to this address over here. Of course, you will have another one, but once you receive a mailing to this address, then it will be redirected to your own mailing address. So to your, probably where you live or where you have your business mailing address. So basically what happens is once you register an account with Reship, they will give you a mailing address where you can start receiving mailing. And then once you receive that mailing, it will go to your own address. So this is the first thing that you need to do, is have an account with Reship. Then you can fill this information with a US mailing address. The other thing is how you are actually going to receive your money, because you need to have a bank information from the US. So you need to have a bank account from the US or from UK. And for this, what you need to have is an account with Pioneer. This is an amazing service that you can use, and once you register an account, you actually don't pay anything to register an account with them. But once you register an account with them, they will provide you a bank account that belongs from the US. So you will have a bank account, you will have this number from your bank account that belongs to the US. Or you can also choose one from the UK, but in this case I just chose one from the US. So you need to have an account with Pioneer. Then what happens is, once you receive your payment from ACX, it will go to Pioneer. So you will receive your money into your Pioneer account. And then afterwards, what happens is, once you receive that payment to Pioneer, you transfer that payment to your own bank account. So basically that's exactly what happens. You receive your payment from ACX, it goes to Pioneer, and then from Pioneer it goes to your bank account. So those are the both things that you need in order for you to have an account with ACX. You need to have Reship, you need to create an account with them, and I'm going to leave all of the links right below on the description from this video. And also you need to have an account with Pioneer. So those are the both things that you need. Anyway, what I recommend for you to do if you are struggling to make money with self-publishing and you're tired of not doing money with self-publishing, I recommend for you to get one of the best video courses out there for nonfiction called Self-Publishing Revolution. This is exactly the course that teaches you the right strategies in order for you to be successful with Kindle publishing. Once again, you have a link right below in the description so you can quickly go to this course and find more information. This is basically the only course out there that has students showing proven results of the money that they are actually doing. These are not claims, these are proven results of people showing their dashboards that they are actually making money following this course. Anyway, that is all for this video. Leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Still, I haven't done it. And also, if you have any question related to this video or related to Kindle publishing, leave it right below. I'll try to reply to you as soon as possible. That is all for now. Stay tuned with Pro Tutorials and bye.